I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bone marrow soup. First, select high-quality beef marrow bones, ideally from grass-fed sources, for the best flavor and nutritional value. Next, roast these bones at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes. This crucial initial step not only deepens the flavor profile, but also helps to remove any impurities, ensuring a cleaner, richer broth for your nourishing soup. It sets the foundation for a truly exceptional culinary experience. Once your bones are roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot. Cover them completely with cold water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Now, add your favorite aromatic vegetables such as 2 or 3 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 large onion roughly chopped. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and let it cook slowly for at least 8 to 12 hours, or even up to 24 hours, for maximum nutrient extraction and flavor. During the simmering process, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. It's important to regularly skim these off with a ladle to ensure a clear and clean broth. Once your soup has simmered for the desired time, carefully strain the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean container. After it cools, a layer of solidified fat will form on top. Gently remove this for a less greasy, more palatable soup. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade bone marrow soup. Season it generously with sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite fresh herbs like parsley or thyme to enhance its natural flavors. You can enjoy this warm, nourishing soup on its own as a comforting beverage, or use it as a rich base for other recipes. Store any cooled leftovers in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze for longer preservation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.